Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the touch and hold home button to open Bixby voice in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now here in apps, click on choose default apps and then click on digital assistant app. Now here click on device assistance app and from here select Bixby voice. Now here click on OK, and now when you touch and hold the home button, it will open the Bixby voice. So that's how you can set the touch and hold home button to open Bixby voice in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.